Made from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law.
Hello. Arasu is here with another adventure with a group of 5: Kamal, Behzad, Sanaz, Amir, and I. We are heading to Sky Pilot Trail for a day hike. It's like 15 kilometers out and back with 1300 meters elevation gain. This trail considered as a challenging route. Just waiting for Behzad. Oh, they're coming.
Ciao, bonjour, sawa.
Already.
We are gonna go through a small glacier. It's called the Stadium Glacier, and then pink slab, low 5 climb. And before the summit, we are gonna go through a small chimney and then summit. It's gonna be a beautiful day. It's nice weather. Be with us, and we'll see you on the top.
We hiked almost 9 kilometers so far. On my right, as you can see, that's the Azebridge mountain. And on the left, we have Co-Pilot Mountain. And behind me, Sky Pilot. That's our goal. So we just got to Stadium Glacier and so sad. As you can see, the glacier almost disappeared.
So we just reached to the Glacier Stadium. We are gearing up to cross the glacier, and a little after we have to cross the pink slab, which is the challenging part of the hike.
It's 1 p.m. We just got on the top of Sky Pilot.
Beautiful
Beautiful.
foggy view. This beautiful view of nothing but a fog.
از طرف همه بچه های تو